Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing of the BTS Army merch box number 7. I was very excited to get this package. I ordered it January 2022. It took about 6 months to arrive. And so let's go ahead and open it and take a look. So merch box 7 is a clear backpack, ideally to be used at a concert or something like that. However, I have heard that the backpack is a little large, and so it may not be welcome at many concerts, but you could also have it for personal use, for everyday use. So here it is. Oh, it is a very lovely looking backpack. Nice and clear, a really good size actually. Probably larger than what you can use again at a concert. Concerts do have smaller bag policies now, but it looks like a great daily use bag. So let's go ahead and open it and take a look at all the goodies inside. So if you look at the back, I see these extra clips. I think that's where you wear it as a backpack, or you can hand carry it like this. So, really nice looking bag. And let's take a look at what's inside. Oh, it looks like little trash bags in here with the little BTS sticker on it. So I guess they could be doggy bags. I have dogs, so that's what I would use them for. So that's very nice. There's straps to carry it like a tote. Very nice that it has the BTS and BTS Army logo on it. So that is really fun. I might be able to use that strap somewhere else. Looks like I have photo cards also. In the back, RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. I always like these merch packages because they don't have random photo cards, so you can get one of everyone. Here's the other strap. I think these are the backpack straps, but it's nice that you can use them for other things too, other bags that you might have. But I suppose these go on the back or side of the backpack for you to carry it. And so they just clip on. And they're quite sturdy clips also. So let's take a look at what else is in here. There's an airbag in here to keep the shape. And a clear, oh, I'm sorry, not a clear bag. This looks like a bag. I think this is talking about the actual backpack, the clear bag, the user guide. So here's how to put the different straps on for you to carry as a backpack, a tote, and a shoulder bag. That's helpful. And there's a bag in here for you to put your extra items in or anything that you might want to carry with you. It has the BTS logo on it, which is very nice. There you go, a little sack, I guess. So, very nice addition. And let me just take one good look at the bag again. I love the little extra hints of purple that you could clip things on right here. A very nice sturdy bag, a great size. The bag itself actually doesn't say BTS on there anywhere, but that's where the straps have it. And I wish it was just a little bit smaller so I could bring it to a concert, but it will still get great usage doing other things and going other places. And so it's nice that it is a convertible bag. That is a great feature on it. And I hope to be able to use this for a long time. And so thank you so much for coming to my unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed looking at merch box number 7. And again, it had the outbox, the clear bag, an inner pouch, a waist bag case, and photo cards. So I think it's still in stock right now. So if you don't have a BTS membership and the special membership for kits that you purchase separately, consider doing that, because this is a great item to add to your BTS collection. So thank you so much for joining my unboxing, and I hope to see you at a future one. Thank you.